Welcome back! If you loved our first taste of Kapampangan cuisine, you're in for a treat today. We are about to dive into one of Pampanga's most iconic dish, sisig. This dish has a rich history and bold flavors that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for this flavorful adventure. And later tonight, we'll be trying some special Filipino delicacies that will leave you craving for more.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Kapampangan Food Adventure. I am Xuhmbuddy and we are here today at the birthplace of the beloved Filipino dish, sisig. Once again, we are here in the heart of Pampanga, Angeles City. Where we are standing right now is called Crossing Angeles. And then it is in this particular place sisig was made. Welcome to the home of the legendary sisig queen, Aling Lucing Sisig. So they have actually opened multiple branches across this region. Yet look at this place. After all these years, they still preserve the original look of this restaurant. This is the history of Aling Lucing Sisig. Alright, let's see some of the actions in making the legendary sisig. So this is their kitchen. It's actually an open style kitchen. So you can see what they're doing inside. So let's go take a look inside. Here inside you can see some of the chopping action of the sisig here. We have a mountain pile of sisig over here. So I think one day they can chop up to a couple hundred kilos of sisig. So this is the prep area of the kitchen, and then inside there is the cooking area of the kitchen. So here they have been, I think they are boiling some pig head. What is that, kuya? Yes.
Bulalo.
Bulalo.
Hindi, di pa luto eh.
What's this? This is the
Bulalo, ito yung sabaw.
sabaw. So we have some bulalo here, soup. And then here outside is a grilling station. So this is a place where they grill the sisigap, the pork face or the pig mass of the sisig. So what they got right here is the pig face or the mass of the pig. So they actually boiled this for a couple hours, and then after it's boiled, they're gonna grill up in the grill. So this outside here is where they grill the sisig meat. Where they are grilling the pork face. They are roasting it until it is brown, crispy, and a little bit charred. So this is the roasted pig mass. So they are grilled until charred and slightly crispy outside.
After that, the sisig meat is chopped up. When an order comes in, it is then served on a hot plate.
That is the sisig. Sizzling sisig. Wow. So once the sisig meat hit the grill, hit the hot plate, you can smell the aroma, you can smell the margarine and some of the mild reaction from the sisig. Hey everyone, we are here on the table. We have ordered the famous and legendary sisig, sizzling sisig. Whoa, it's so hot. Still, the plate is still very hot. And aside from sisig, we also ordered some chicharron bulaklak, some kare-kare, the kare-kare, the crispy kare-kare. And then we have some bulalo soup. Okay, dine in. Let's squeeze some calamansi juice into the sisig. Wow. Let's mix it up. This is actually my first time trying Aling Lucing Sisig. I've tried many sisig before, but I don't know why I haven't tried this yet. So, let's try it. Aling Lucing Sisig. Wow. So rich. So rich. So creamy. It has... the taste of sisig is a lot richer than most sisig that I've tried outside. So it definitely needs some, paired with some rice. Whoa. Let's pair sisig with some rice. Wow. Rich, fatty. It's not greasy. It doesn't taste greasy even though it's a bit fat. And even though there's a lot of fat and they put a lot of margarine inside. You can taste the smokiness from the grill. You can taste the margarine. You can taste the crunchiness from the onions, and then some chewiness from the pork taste. Let's take another bite. Some rice. So if you haven't tried sisig yet, you should definitely try sisig. So if you don't want to believe in me, I think you would believe in Anthony Bourdain. So I'm sitting here right across Anthony Bourdain, and then he once said, if you've never had this divine mosaic of pig parts chopped and served sizzling and crisp on one side on a screaming hot platter, then you've yet to have one of the world's best beer drinking dishes. Unfortunately, we don't have beer today. We aren't gonna have some beer today, so let's pair with some soft drink. But yeah, even though you don't pair this with beer, you just eat it as it is. It's still one of the best dish that Kapampangans have ever made. Aling Lucing that has ever made. And then aside from sisig, we also ordered some different dishes that they have here in Aling Lucing Sisig restaurant. So here, first let's try some of the... This is the chicharrong bulaklak again. So this is the fried pig intestine. And then let's dip it inside the vinegar. It's alright. It's not as crispy as I thought. It's a bit chewy. But yeah. Aside from that, we also got some crispy kare-kare. So usually kare-kare is Filipino stew with oxtail, Filipino peanut stew with oxtail. But here, they got the kare-kare with some lechong kawali, or the fried pork belly. So let's give this a try. Set up the fried pork belly. Let's pair some rice. Sweet, rich peanut flavor, and then the pork belly. Yeah, soft and a little bit crispy. It's also one of the best Filipino dish that they got out there. Let's try with some of this bagoong, which is the Filipino shrimp paste. Some beans and bagoong. So the stew itself doesn't have much of the salt flavor inside. So that's why we have the bagoong over here. The bagoong is a very salty shrimp paste. It's shrimp paste, of course it's salty, and then you pair it with the sauce. And then you get the perfect balance of the sweetness, the saltiness, and then yeah, absolutely Wonderful. Then here, what we got here is the Filipino soup. This is called bulalo. So this is a beef soup. So we got a huge piece of beef over here. So let's get some of the piece of beef. It's a Filipino beef bulalo. And then what is this? I think these are the... Wow, we got some bone marrow inside. Wow. Some pieces of bone marrow. And let's give it a try. Wow. Got that rich broth flavor. And then it tastes very clean. You don't got that much taste of the funkiness from the beef. Yeah, you get the rich beef broth flavor. Oh, and then we got some, I think this is a piece of bone marrow over here. Bone marrow. Just like butter. Melts in our mouth. Wow. So good. Let's pair with some rice. Let's pair this beef with some rice. So good. Let's try more of the sisig. Wow. Again, the legendary Aling Lucing Sisig. One of the best sisig that you can ever try out there. Try with some rice. Let's try with some vinegar. You get some vinegar over here. Let's try with some sisig. Wow. Let's have another bowl of this bulalo. I like this bulalo soup. And I get some of the corn. And then let's get some more of the bone marrow and corn. So let's try the corn. Wow. So in the savoriness of the broth, you get some sweetness from the corn. Wow. This is some perfect balanced Filipino food. Let's take another bite of this bone marrow. Melts in your mouth. Sir, may I ask, sir, are you related to Aling Lucing, sir? You're the grandson of Aling Lucing, sir? Thank you for the food, sir.
Thank you.
It was really nice and everything was perfect. Once again, we are here at the original place where sizzling sisig was made. Aling Lucing Sisig. So, if you haven't tried sisig yet, definitely come to this place. This is where you can try the original, where the birthplace of sisig itself, Aling Lucing Sisig. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Alright, so for the next spot, we're gonna wait until night. Because this specific dish or this specific food is only available at night, and we will know later why. Okay, got it. So here we are, there's still sunlight, we still got some time to kill, so I'll see you later. Wow, look at the amount of people, so lively. So we are here again in front of the Holy Rosary Parish Church, or known among locals as the Pisambang Maragol, or the Big Church. So the next dish that we are going to try here is usually only available during nighttime and during the months near December, or known in the Philippines as the Bear months. So as soon as the time ticks from August 31, 11:59 p.m., as soon as the time ticks to September 1, 12 a.m., you'll find them selling it here. Hi, I would like to have Puto Bumbong.
Puto Bumbong.
One order of it, please.
Special, sir.
What's the difference? What's the difference of
More
special?
toppings. Special.
More toppings?
Yes.
Is it better?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll have the special.
Much better.
So this is the Puto Bumbong, and let's watch them make it. What is this, sir?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Sticky rice, sir.
Is that the sticky rice?
Yes, sir.
So this is actually the sticky rice, or I think it's glutinous rice flour. Putting the glutinous rice flour into some sort of a vessel. I think there's bamboo, a piece of bamboo. And after you fill it up, they're gonna stick it inside to this specialized steamer that can fit the bamboo on top of the. Can fit the Puto Bumbong on top of the steamer.
Okay, sir.
So you put some margarine.
Put margarine.
Put some margarine on the. What's that? Is that the banana leaf?
Yes, yes. Banana.
And then they place the Puto Bumbong on the banana leaf.
Yes. Kasalanan, sir.
And then some more dollop of the margarine. And then I think and then they wrap it up.
Yes, sir.
So when the order comes in, they're gonna put it inside the box. They smother it with some butter. And they grated a huge amount of cheese on it. Oh, that's a huge amount of cheese. Wait, more cheese? Wow, more cheese.
Super special.
Super special bibingka. And then they add some sprinkle of the, what's this? Brown sugar? Muscovado sugar. And some grated coconut. And then they still top it with some condensed milk. So that's the special Puto Bumbong. Thank you. So here we got the Puto Bumbong, the special Puto Bumbong. So this is actually a Filipino delicacy, and it's color purple. I don't know why it's color purple.
Yes, ma'am. Bibingka ka, madam.
Wait, let's ask why is it color purple. Sir, may I ask why is it color purple, sir? May I ask why is it color purple?
With ano, sir?
Is it ube flavor?
Purple yam.
Purple yam. Oh, so they actually put some ube here, or the purple yam. And let's try this.
Yes, sir. Bibingka.
Puto Bumbong. Oh, it's a bit sticky. I think it's gonna be chewy. So sweet. Yeah, and then you can taste the margarine. And I think they also put some condensed milk inside here. So the sticky rice is a little bit chewy. It's sweet. It's warm. Yeah, pretty nice. I like it.
Tastes good?
Yeah, it's very good. But I think it would be better if you had less of the topping right here. Because yeah, it's too rich. You can taste it's a rich taste of the cheese, the condensed, the sugar. Yeah, this is a very rich Filipino dessert. Alright. Alright, let's go to the next. Wait. I think the next spot, they also got some bibingka over here. You also spell bibingka?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want to try the bibingka. So, aside from Puto Bumbong, they also sell bibingka. So we got an order of bibingka also. And let's try the bibingka. Whoa, it's still hot. I think it's freshly made. It's still hot. Take a look. Oh, so this is the bibingka. Smells a little bit eggy, you know. So I think this is some sort of a Filipino rice cake butter, I think. So Filipino rice cake, and it is baked from an charcoal oven right there. You can see You can see them making the bibingka right there at the back. So this is how they make the bibingka. So they place it on top of charcoal and they top it with charcoal. And then they cook it in this, I think this is a specialized clay pot. So they line the clay pot with a layer of banana leaf first, and then they crack an egg into the pot and into the, mix it with some butter. Right inside this clay pot, and then top some cheese. I think that's salted egg. Yeah, some salted egg. And then they top it off with some charcoal. So that acts like a oven. Ah, so hot. Wow. So we got the bibingka right here. Wow, so still hot. Fresh from the charcoal oven, and no, from the oven. Let's take a smell it first. Smells a little, yeah, smells a little eggy. And then this is actually made with rice batter, rice cake batter. Yeah, let's try it. So, yeah. And then this is a savory sort of what's it called, this bibingka. Yes, and it's very soft. It's almost like extra huge pancake that is very, very soft, and then it's savory. And then the cheese, I think they put some cheddar cheese on top, so it gives more of the savoriness to the bibingka. Oh, I also taste some of the sweetness. I think they put some sugar on top, and then you can see that there's some what do you call this, browning from the sugar. Oh, and then also got some salted egg yolk and salted egg inside the bibingka. Pretty nice, but I like the puto bumbong more than the bibingka. But yeah, I like it too. So this is the Myrna's special puto bumbong and bibingka. So yeah, if you come here, try Myrna's puto bumbong. Pretty nice. So that ends our episode 2 of the Kapampangan food adventure. See you on the next video. Alright. Oh, the church just lit up. Look at the back. Look at the back. The church just lit up. Oh, so that is the Holy Rosary Parish Church, also known as the Pisambang Maragul, or the big church. Wow, nice, pretty nice. Wow, pretty nice church.